This is the center console organizer from Salix Organizers for the Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra, model years 2014 to 2018. In this kit you get the three pieces shown, and it's very simple to put together, but the one thing you want to notice is this is the centerpiece that goes front to back, and these two pieces go side to side, but you'll notice one piece is not as tall as the other piece, which is going to go in the front slot. So to start, put those two together, lock them down, then put the other one in the back slot, lock it down. There's no left and right, so it's pretty simple to do. And then once you have it put together like that, you can just take it over to the console in your seat back. And one thing I forgot to tell you is you need to take the factory divider out before you put this divider in, and then this will drop right in and make good contact with the rubber mat at the bottom. In the console you still have access to your power plugs on both sides, and the other part is this goes all the way to the top edge, which the factory one did not, so that when you close the lid and flip the seat back, you end up with full contact on the top surface here, so everything stays in its individual compartment. So you can get these kits on Amazon.com or eBay and search for Salix, S-A-L-E-X organizers, and you can find this one as well as many others for other cars, trucks, and SUVs.